Hi everybody, I'm here with my good friends Tania Pereira, an amazing singer-songwriter and guitar player from Spain, and Alma Al-Bader on vocals, who's currently living in Boston. And we're going to do an acoustic version of Train. I'm sitting on a train, lost inside my head. I watch the world go by. Yeah, I look at everything, I wonder what it all means. Who they are and where they go. I wish I could stay, but I must be on my way. I'm on